Good morning, Mom. My name is Ronaldo Tihor, and I'm going to present to you my understanding about geometric sequence and the problem I have it. So, geometric sequence. The geometric system it is a sequence of numbers where each term is found by multiplying the previous term. So, kibali ang pinakauna na term is azaran mo times sa karaan by fixed non non-zero number. So the common ratio example of this is the 2, 6, 18, and 54 and so on. So the common ratio here is the 3. So example of this kung tag-unsap sa pagkuha, so 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18 and 18 times 3 is 24. So that is the common ratio. So for here this problem is Denver is planning to invest 10,000 in a business. The investment percent is 100% every month. So the question here is how much will the investment be worth after 2 years, and how much investment be worth after a year? So we got here the formula. So S sub n is equals to S and times R is raised to the power of n minus 1. So the our E here is the 10,000 investment, and the R is the 100%. So 100% is equivalent to 1. So the N is 24 because it's 2 years. Every year we got 20 we got 12 months times 2, so it's 24. So the 10,000 is times with 1 is to the power of 24 minus 1. So let's copy the 10,000, also the times 1. We have to minus the 24 minus 1 is 23. We have to copy again the 10,000. So 23 times 1 is also 23. So 10,000 times 23. So 10 times 23 is 230,000. So 230,000 in every 2 years. What about the every year? So another problem. So we got here another same formula. Our A is 10,000 and R is 1, which 100%, and the N is 12. Uh, in 1 year, there's only 12 months. So 12 ang ato N. So S of N 10,000 times 1, 12 minus 1. 11, you have to minus it. 11 times 1 is also 11. So it got 110,000. So every year she got 110 every year investment.